Hello Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta po kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. And kung bago po kayo rito, welcome na welcome din po kayo. Thank you po sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it and God bless you all. Tignan po natin ngayon ang mga messages ninyo for the next 3 months, October, November, and December. Ang unang row po gawin natin for October, second row for November, third row po for December. Kuha muna tayo ng mga cards. Ipunin muna natin para tuloy-tuloy na tayo magbasa, no? Ayan. So, what else for Scorpio? Ayan. So, kuha muna, kunin na natin yung October. Alright. Tignan natin anong ganap for October. We have the King of Cups. Ayan. So, some of you, you know, Scorpio, maybe lalapit kayo sa, sa someone, no? Someone matured na, someone, maybe this is also a leader, no? Sa community ninyo. And someone very compassionate, someone very intuitive and sensitive. Dito kasi maaaring ang iba sa inyo, Scorpio, nangangailangan ng gabay, no? Maybe some of you are needing some kind of help in a form na yung parang advice, parang nangangailangan kayo ng input, ng sage advice ng ibang tao. That's why you are seeking for someone na yung seasoned na in life, no? Maaaring yun ang gusto ninyong lapitan na tao ngayon. And maaari din dito, Scorpio, na since this is your energy din, maaari din na kayo din naman yung lalapitan ng mga tao sa paligid niyo. Maaari din na you are the go-to person ng mga tao sa paligid niyo pagdating sa hihingian ng tulong, pagdating sa gusto nilang may makausap, no? If they want someone to yung may pag-vent outan lang ba ng kanilang mga concern sa buhay, no? Maaaring kayo din yung go-to person nila, no? Scorpio. So what else? We have stillness. Ayan. So this month of October, no, Scorpio, ang ganap dito for some of you, you're being advised here or you're being invited here by the Spirit to put yourself into stillness, no? Maaari kasi, Scorpio, na kung kayo yung, kunyari, kayo yung lapitan or lapitin ng mga tao sa paligid ninyo na para hingian ng tulong, hingian ng advice, kayo yung kinikwentuhan nila ng mga concerns nila sa buhay, maaari na na-absorb nyo lahat ng problema, no? Maaring dumidikit sa energy field ninyo ang problema ng ibang tao, kaya pinoproblema nyo din, no? Parang dinidibdib nyo din kung anong problema ng ibang tao na naikwento sa inyo. So maybe ganun ang ganap ng iba sa inyo, kaya naman you need also to put yourself into stillness nang sa gayon you can go through your thoughts, your feelings and emotions then, at kung ano yung hindi ninyo problema, let them go, no? And even yung mga sarili ninyong problema kung meron man, you may need to let them go. You may need to declutter yourself, no, of negativity, negative energies na nandyan na sa katawan ninyo, sa energy field ninyo na. Sa gayon, instead of dwelling on the problem itself, no, you can figure out the things that you need to do or you need to think and you need to feel, nang sa gayon, maisip ninyo na yung positivity na lang ang ilagay ninyo sa puso ninyo, sa isip ninyo at sa energy ninyo, no? So focus on the positivity. Let go of any negativity, no? Nang sa gayon ma-attract ninyo yung solusyon, nang sa gayon ma-attract ninyo yung magandang ganap, no? Yun ang dumating sa buhay ninyo, no? So some of you may need to do some reflection, introspection at this time, nang sa gayon ma-dissect ninyo ang mga nararamdaman at mga naiisip ninyo, okay? Joy in the light, open your heart to joy. Ayan, so maaring ang iba sa inyo dito, Scorpio, you don't have time to relax, you don't have time to look at the things sa buhay ninyo sa present time na magpapasaya sa inyo, no? Na maaaring magbigay sa inyo ng joy and fulfillment and satisfaction, no? And happiness, yung mga ganun, because you are so busy all the time. Maging masaya kayo, no? Maging masaya kayo sa ngayon. Maaaring may mga blessings, maaaring may mga wonderful events na mag-unfold dito sa buhay ninyo around this month of October. Kaya naman magbubukas, no, ang puso ninyo para dito sa kahit little things, no, ma-appreciate ninyo. At there could be blessings talaga na parating sa inyo dito na yun ang mag-open up ng puso ninyo para maging masaya din kayo. Kasi ang nafe-feel ko dito, parang ang iba sa inyo medyo may struggle, parang merong lungkot na nararamdaman. Kaya feels like to me na mababago na yan, ano? Mababago ang pakiramdam ninyo because of these wonderful events na maaaring mangyari around this month. So what else? We have Queen of Wands. And Queen of Wands. Ang iba sa inyo dito, maybe may mga endeavor kayong iniisip, may mga endeavor kayo gustong gawin, and you are going for it, no? You're going for it. Magdidesisyon kayo ngayon, Scorpio, na wala nang makakapigil sa inyo. Magdidesisyon kayo na it's about time na to pursue what you want to pursue, no? Itutuloy nyo na kung ano man ang plans ninyo, itutuloy nyo na kung ano man yung naisip ninyo na gagawin. For the longest time, maaring plano nyo yan, pero hindi nangyayari. But now, you know, it feels like you're going to pursue, no, kung ano man ang gusto ninyong gawin or plano. No one or nothing can get in your way anymore ngayon. You are going to be driven, you're going to be very determined, and you're going to be super passionate about this, kung ano man yung gusto ninyong gawin. Queen of Wands, another Queen of Wands. So talagang magtutuloy-tuloy ito, no? Parang ngayon, around October, parang ano yung plano ninyo talaga na nandyan na sa isip ninyo for the longest time, maaaring sisimulan nyo na yan, no? And you're going to build the momentum until November. So talagang itutuloy-tuloy mo yan, no? You're going for the goal. go for gold. Dito, parang gano'n. You're going to, try to reach for your goals this November, no? Parang sisimulan ninyong gagawin dito around October at tutuloy-tuloy ninyo yan until November. At gagawin nyo ang lahat, no, ng inyong makakaya. Gagawin nyo ang lahat ng everything in your power, you know, to make things happen, to make things reality talaga, no, Scorpio? Yung mga ideas na yan, hindi lang yan idea, no? Talagang you're going to execute na kung anong kailangan ninyong i-execute dito in order for you to manifest whatever you want to manifest in life. So that's really beautiful. Solitude and stillness. So talaga, no, kahit dito sa November, there is time na kailangan din ninyong mag-solitude. Kailangan ninyo, siguro ang dami ninyong na-absorb, no, na negative energies dito sa paligid ninyo, Scorpio. And maybe because you are very empathic talaga, kasi you're a water sign. So maybe yung psychic abilities ninyo talaga are always on point, and you need to protect your energy dito, Scorpio, lalo-lalo na kung you are very empathic. Kasi kahit hindi ninyo nakakausap, kahit hindi ninyo, kahit dinadaanan nyo lang, you may be able to absorb the energy of other people. Kung ang na-pick up ninyo, mabigat na energy, so feeling ninyo din, bibigat din yan, no? Yung pagkaramdam ninyo din, bibigat, mahihirapan din kayo. Kaya you may also need to protect your energy all the time, no? Yung energy field ninyo. So that's why you also need to put yourself into solitude, no? Even in the times around November, kasi maaring maraming negative energies ang dumidikit sa energy field niyo. So you may need to declutter yourself, purify and detoxify yourself. And also maaring may mga dito, Scorpio, may mga importanteng divine guidance or importanteng gabay para sa inyo na dumadating, no? May mga downloads kayong dumadating dito sa inyo na para ma-access ninyo, no? You may need to quiet yourself, quiet your body and mind, no? Mag-step back muna kayo ng kahit konting panahon lang, nang sa gayon, ano, mapakinggan ninyo ang inyong sarili, mapakinggan ninyo ang inyong intuition. Kasi yung mga gabay na yan, yung mga downloads na yan, they come to us in a very subtle way, Scorpio, no? Kaya kung lagi tayong may ginagawa, lagi tayong busy, lagi tayong may kausap, most likely, hindi natin maririnig kung ano yung downloads na yan. Kaya, you may need to put yourself into solitude, nang sa gayon, ma-access ninyo yung mahalagang divine guidance na yan na binibigay sa inyo ng divine universe. Okay? Discovering truth, you stand in the light of truth. Ayan. So, parang may paninindigan dito ang iba sa inyo, no, Scorpio? That is what I'm picking up dito, na maaring kung ano talaga yung gusto ninyong gawin, kung ano yung naiisip ninyo, kung ano yung nararamdaman ninyo, you're going to fight for it. Yun ang i-insist talaga ninyong igawin ninyo, papanindigan talaga ninyo dito. So that is really beautiful because you'd be able also to stand your ground. No, stand your ground, speak your truth, walk your truth, diba? And express your truth. So yun ang napakahalaga, na maging authentic kayo sa sarili ninyo, kung ano man ang naisip ninyo, kung ano nararamdaman ninyo, kung ano ang paniniwala ninyo, no? You have to stand behind that. Okay? So, we have 5 of Cups. Ayan. Ang iba sa inyo dito, Scorpio, siguro may mga pinanghihinayangan kayo. Maaring in the past, ang na-pick up ko dito, this is already in the past. Kasi ngayon, wala na makakapigil sa inyo kung ano yung gusto ninyong gawin. You're going to stand by your truth na ngayon. No? Talagang kung ano ang gusto ninyo, kung ano nasa isip ninyo, you're going to go for it, no? Sa ngayon. But maybe, ang iba sa inyo in the past, no? Meron kayong maraming pinanghihinayangan. Maybe, marami kayong gustong gawin in the past, pero you were restricted siguro by other people or by a situation, kaya hindi ninyo napapanindigan kung ano yung mga gusto ninyo, kung ano yung mga gusto ninyong i-express. Maaaring hindi kayo nabibigyan ng pagkakataong gawin yan, ano? Kaya marami kayong panghihinayang siguro ang iba sa inyo. Parang sayang ng oras, sayang ng panahon ko noon, 'di ba? Kasi maybe ngayon nakikita nyo na yung saya, nararamdaman ninyo na yung saya ng magawa ninyo kung ano yung gusto ninyong gawin. Yung ma-execute ninyo ngayon ang mga bagay na sana'y noon nyo pa nagawa. Pero because of the restrictions, maybe of any situation or mga tao beside you or around you noon, kaya hindi nyo nagawa kung ano yung gusto ninyong gawin, Kaya maybe yun ang pinanghihinayangan ninyo. But don't dwell on that anymore, Scorpio. Ang mahalaga ngayon, you have the chance, you have that opportunity now to express yourself, no? You have the opportunity now to do whatever you want to do, no? 'Di ba? Kaya yun na lang, doon na lang tayo mag-focus sa ngayon. Kung ano yung mga hindi natin nagawa noon, gawin natin ngayon, 'di ba? Because the power is now, the powerful time is now. Kasi dito ngayon, magagawa mo kung anong gusto mong gawin, mababago mo kung anong gusto mong baguhin, mai-adjust mo, mai-improve mo kung ano yung gusto ninyong ma-adjust or ma-improve. But yung nakaraan na, we have no control over that anymore. Kaya gawin ninyo ngayon kung ano yung gusto ninyong gawin. As long as it's for your own good and for the good of everyone involved, no? So what else we have for December? We have 4 of Wands. See? Mukhang may tagumpay na makakamit kayo dito, Scorpio. Maaring yung sinimulan ninyong gawin dito in October at tuloy-tuloy, 'di ba, ang gagawin ninyo hanggang November. Maaring magtagumpay kayo around November, no? Maaring pagtagumpayan nyo na yan around November or maybe early December, no? Makakamit nyo na ang tagumpay sa kung ano man ang ginawa ninyo yan for October and November, and you're going to celebrate that, no? You're going to celebrate an accomplishment, an achievement dito, or projects, no? Related to home, maaring ganun din, or related to your career, or related to to your trabaho, no? So definitely there are reasons to celebrate dito. Kaya naman mag-enjoy ka in December, no? Maari din around December, Scorpio, some of you are going to get married na, or maaaring you will be invited to a wedding, no? Maaaring sa kamag-anak ninyo, kakilala, kaibigan, mga ganon. And this is a very happy time for you, no? Scorpio are going to embrace joy and happiness and excitement around around December. Kaya maybe there are also homecoming dito. There is travel involved dito as well, Scorpio. So most likely, ang iba sa inyo uuwi talaga sa pamilya ninyo. Uuwi sa home ninyo na tinatawag, no? And you're going to celebrate your successes, and you're going to enjoy those times na uuwi kayo with your loved ones. So what else? We have leadership, and so maybe ang iba sa inyo will be promoted to a leadership role. May promotion ang iba sa inyo dito, Scorpio, and maybe that is one of the things that you're going to celebrate as well, no? Kasi may promotion dito, more responsibility, more money din ito, kasi syempre mas mataas ang sweldo ninyo dito na makukuha na. So that's really beautiful. Taking shelter, the answers are within, and so this is again another energy of solitude and stillness. So talaga sa buwan ang trend ninyo dito in the next 3 months towards the end of the year, parang lagi kayong iniimbitahan para mag-solitude, para magpahinga, para mag-rejuvenate and mag-recuperate for every month, no? Maring this is a preparation for you, Scorpio, no? Para sa pagpasok ng 2024, handa kayo physically, mentally, emotionally recharged kayo. Kaya every month, no, mayroong panahon para magpahinga kayo. May invitation dito para sa iyo na mag-reflect, no, nang sa gayon lagi kayong makakapag declutter, no, ng mga basura na sa sarili ninyo. Lagi kayong maging pure, no, para matanggal na ang mga kung ano man ang mga negative thoughts, feelings and emotions, mga ganon. Maaari din ang iba sa inyo dito, Scorpio, you have questions, no? May mga tanong kayo sa sarili ninyo na hindi ninyo mahanapan ng sagot from the outside world. Maaari may mga tinatanong na kayo mga tao about that, but you can't find the answers that you are seeking. Kaya you may need to do this, no? You may need to go deep within, okay? Go deep within, because ang ibig sabihin yan, hindi niyo mahanap ang sagot from the outside world. The answers are from deep within you. So that's why kailangan ninyong magpahinga, mag-solitude, so that you can allow your soul to speak when you are quiet, no? When your mind is quiet, when your body is resting, okay? What else for Scorpio? We have Knight of Pentacles. Ayan, so we have the Knight of Pentacles dito. There are opportunities, no, coming in sa buhay ninyo, Scorpio, around December that will be linked with money, career, and finances, no? So may mga pangkaperhan dito, racket, mga ganon, or maybe a new job, additional income, additional source of income, mga ganon, business opportunity. It could be anything, no? But that is related to your money, career, and finances that is coming in. So, good luck, Scorpio, and that's all I have for you for the next 3 months. I hope nakatulong ang mga mensaheng ito in some way. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.